Hello guys, welcome back to series 4 of our mensuration problem. Like I said, we are still looking out for the formulas that we'll be making use of when we start taking examples, right? Now for rectangle, in rectangle we have two diagonals. These lines are called the diagonal lines. We have the length, which is this. In fact, we have length from this point to this point is equal to from this point to this point. And we have the breadth, right, which is represented as b and is also equal to this part. Is that okay? So we are going to be looking at the area. We'll also look at the perimeter. Okay. Then we also look at the diagonal. Okay. And then we have what we call area of four walls. Area of four walls. We'll also be looking at that. Now, what is the formula for area of a rectangle? It is your length times your breadth. That is the formula for area of a rectangle. You can just take note of that and then jot it down and follow along. What about for perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into bracket length plus your breadth. Now remember, perimeter is the total length of an object or a shape. So here we have 2 lengths, 2 breadth. This formula can further be simplified as 2L plus 2B. Okay, that means you're going to add the 2 lengths you have, whatever you have here plus what you have here. Whatever you have here times 2 is the same thing as this plus this, plus whatever you have here times 2 is the same thing as this plus this. So you add all together, you're still going to arrive at the same thing. Okay, now what is now the formula for diagonal? Just like we did for square, we also looked for the formula for diagonal of a square, which is square root of 2 times your side. So what is now the formula for diagonal of a rectangle in this case? The formula for diagonal of a rectangle is the square root of your length raised to power 2 plus your breadth raised to power 2. Is that okay? So that is the formula for diagonal of a rectangle, right? Now let's go to the area of four walls. So the area of four walls is 2 into bracket length times your breadth and times your height. Is that okay? So please take note of these formulas, jot it down, expect the next series, and just be following. By the time we start taking series of example, you'll see how this connects. Okay, bye bye.